Today we'll be looking at dynamically displaying three or more dimensions using a single measure. Yeah, you heard me right. Let's look at what we'll be having at the end of this video, right? We can see our shipping, product, and customer segments. Say you want to display the order quantity. You want to display your order quantity by segment, by region, by product name, by market or whatever based on this data set that we have. How do we do that? Let's see how to create from scratch. So the first thing we want to do is to create our parameter, and then we'll call this parameter, let's just call it dim par, because I have one parameter already, so that's with dim par. Since we are dealing with a string data type, because it's text, so we need to set it to a string data type. Then we have the values to be the dimensions that we want to display. So let's have market first. Then we are going to have region, right? Let's have ship mode, right? And then let's have profit by the order priority, right? Order priority, and then that's just that. So we are done with this, and then we'll click OK to this. So we need to create a calculated feed that will help us to show this. So we'll call this dim par, right? Display, which means that the parameter that we have declared, we want to use all the values in it to now create a calculated feed. So we'll say, you can use if statements, or you can use case statement, but in this tutorial we'll be using case statement. So case, our dim parameter, which is this, right? When it is equal to market, right? When it's equals to market, we want to show market value, right? When it is order priority, order priority, right? They want to show order priority, right? When it is ship mode, right? Then want to show shipping, which is ship mode. So we can change this to shipping, right? Then means that we need to go and change in the parameter, right? Then shipping, and we have one more, that's a segment. Then when this is segments, right? Then want to show segment, right? Then we end this case statement, and that's for that. So we go back to our dim par and change ship mode to shipping, just like we have in our element. We have other priority, we have region, um, market, then I think we added segment, so let's add segment. So that's 5 parameters, that's 5 dimensions that I want to display. So let's come back here now and add one more. That's going to be when this is region, right? Then region, that's what we wanted to show, right? Then region, right? Then we click OK to that. So we bring in this new calculated feed, right, to either your rows or your columns, anywhere you want to have it shown. And then we bring in our profit, since profit is what we are looking at, and we can put this to an entire view, so it's showing like this, right? And you can sort, of course, whether in ascending order or descending order, but this is just the tip of the iceberg. Let's see how to make this more interesting by activating our parameter, right? So when we click on show parameter, that would show right here, and we can see that the first thing that is currently showing right now is market, right? So if we change this to region, we have it dynamically change to region, right? If we change this to shipping, we have for all of our shipping. If we change to other priority, we have for our other priority. If we change it to segment, we have for segments. Now, there might be a mix up between region and market, so let's confirm that in our dimensional display. When it is, oh, not this, um, this is the one we're working with, right? So when it is region, we are getting region. When it is market, we are getting market. So let's look at the values of our region, right? So these are the values of our region, right? And then if you look at market, these are the values for our market, right? So which means that we can dynamically display uh, multiple dimensions, right? Using one feature, basically using one feature, and we can even go as far as making these a stack bar chart, a dual axis chart. Say we want, this is profit. If we bring in, let's say sales, right, and then we make these a dual axis charts, right, and make our sales a bar chart, and then make our profits maybe a line chart sort of. Then we need to reverse this. Let's try to change this. So yeah, this will come out. But then we need to synchronize the axis, right? So we synchronize the axis. Then we have this. So even at this, we can still see that we are getting the same, the different, views for different dimensions that we are looking at, right? Yeah, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and so that you get updates when I push out a new video. And thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye for now.